Good morning, traders. My name is Pete, and this is Trading Kitchen. It's time for my weekly overview, looking for some good opportunities to trade on US indices and Forex. I'm sorry I'm not in front of my usual trading station, so I'm with the AirPods. So hope you understand what I'm going to tell you. So let's start with S&P. And last week I told you that we're going to wait the price to reach this supply zone, and basically this is what I'm going to do during this week. Then we're going to see what is going to happen when price probably will build something over here, and if we're going to have a good setup, we're going to trigger. We are bearish. Okay, we are bearish. I keep on saying we're going to be bearish because on a technical point of view, nothing is changed. Obviously, we have so many structure that have been broken the last week, but this is the key zone. This will be another key zone. Sorry, this one. Okay, and the huge one will be this one. Okay, so there are so many supply zones that price need to break before going definitely bullish on a long-term perspective. Until I see price building something here, I'm going to be bearish on a long-term perspective, and this is a very good moment to build your position if you are position trading, and if you agree with me that we're going to be bearish. Obviously, this is a technical analysis, guys. Okay, so we know what is going to what it could happen with on a geopolitical environment perspective, on a macroeconomical scenario. What about NASDAQ? Things are pretty much the same. Last week, I told you that that we are going to wait. Sorry, this supply zone to be broken, and that's what last week did not happen. Vice versa, price grab the liquidity, this one. Okay, so when you see a huge tail, a huge wick here, this is all liquidity that needs to be taken, and that's what price did. Grab the liquidity, broke the structure over here. This one is not being broken yet, but on a short term, we are bearish. On a mid term, we're going to be bullish because we have this structure that have been broken, this structure that have been broken. Okay, on the long term, we're going to be bearish. Another, again, because we have this supply zone that needs to be broken, and this one. Okay, this is huge. So I need to see price breaking this supply zone, and here we have another one. So with this liquidity to take, so and probably price will go in here because we have a lot of imbalances here and here as well. But on the long-term perspective, I can't say that we're going to be bullish, even if a lot of structure had already been broken. I just want to see something, to tell you something interesting on volatility index. If we compare with US or with Nasdaq, more or less the same, more or less, we can see that every time the volatility index reaches the bottom zone, the discount zone, okay, here, then price obviously begin to going down. Okay, so as you can see, we are here, and now we are approaching this zone. Okay, so I suppose that when price made it a very good setup on this supply zone, or this one, probably we're going to be bearish again. Okay, so be very careful about this, and this is a key area, okay, crucial area for Nasdaq and for S&P as well. What about EURUSD? Oh, sorry. Okay. So last week I told you we absolutely need to reach this area because we have huge liquidity to take here. Okay, because we have this wolf wave pattern, probably. I don't know. Let me show you. So this is the trend line, and as you can see, perfect. Yeah, it really could be a very good trade. So after the price, well, if you see the price breaking the structure, re-enter into this area, okay, I will just wait for retracement to going down again. Okay, so obviously the EURUSD follow the Nasdaq and the USD as well. So if indices will going down, dollar take power, and so all the Forex currencies with USD on the second term here will going down as well. Okay. Here we have another liquidity, here another supply zone. So like US indices, we have so many supply zones here, a lot of imbalances that need to be filled, a lot of gaps probably, yes, but you know, we are just wait on the long-term perspective because this is a crucial moment. Obviously, as you can see, as you can clearly see on Euro USD, we have a lot of volume, bullish volume, bullish picks here. Okay, so and every time you see it, as you can see, price take a huge impulse. Oh, okay, so this is basically, it means that a lot of buyers are entering the market, and as you can see also on the momentum, look at the inclination of this impulse. The same space is filled with half time. Okay, so this means that a lot of buyers, the buyers are aggressive. A lot of buyers enter the market, so probably the willing of the market is to go here, to go up again. Okay. USDCAD, the last one, or we're going to see something also on gold. So USDCAD, this is a Wyckoff schematic. If you saw my previous 4 or 5, I don't remember a weekly overview, I I justify why I'm short on USDCAD. This is a clear Wyckoff schematic. Okay, so as I saw this structure that had been broken here, I just wait for a retracement, and now I'm short. Last week I told you we are going to wait for the price to reach this supply zone, and basically this is what price did on the 75 of this swing. Now price is approaching the zone again. Here we have liquidity, so what I suppose price will do is grab the liquidity over here, make a break of structure, and then go down. Okay, this is what I suppose. Obviously, USDCAD is correlated high negative correlated on USD. So if I say that USD will going down, USDCAD is going up. I know that, but that's the reason why I'm just saying that it's a crucial moment, and on long-term perspective, we have to understand what price, what are the really intentions, okay, of the market. Last thing I want to tell you is on gold, things here are pretty much clear. We are in a clear bullish moment, both in on a short, on the middle, and the long-term perspective, just because we have broken so many structure. Okay, also this one. Sorry for the drawings, guys, but I just want to be as fast as possible. Price re-entering to the zone, grab the liquidity. Try to fill the inefficiency here. We was not able to, so what I suppose now price will going back here, grab all this liquidity, and then going up again. This is pretty much good. Let's have a look on a daily bias, which is clearly bullish. Okay, we have this channel that has been broken. What we can wait in the worst scenario is a huge rejection, so retest here inside the demand zone, okay, and then going up again. Okay, this is on a daily basis, and on a very long term perspective. Okay, I will go. I'm not trading gold, but if I will be bullish also on intraday perspective. Okay, guys, that's enough for this week. Hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about. If you agree with me, using the comment section below. That's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys. See you next week.